Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. I'm back with Mrs. McTivity and we have some fabulous Pancake Day cookie catchers for you today. So here's a pancake with some fabulous pancake facts, and here's a more generic pancake looking at different ingredients and for you to write your own jokes or messages inside. Come on, let's take a look and see how these cookie catchers from Mrs. McTivity are made. So we have 3 printables to choose from, a general one, a plain pancake and a pancake with questions. So we're going to make the pancake one. Let's just cut it out. Now begin by folding this in half, folding this in half, flipping it round, bringing this edge in, use your guidelines, and again, make sure all of these align nicely and you've got your points here. Flip it, and again, bring the corners in and use these guidelines. And then we can see our questions showing up already. Okay, for the final bit, fold this up and crease it, open it, twist, fold it up, crease it, open it, and then you push these into the middle. Lift up the flaps. And you have your pancake ready for Pancake Day. And then you can ask your Pancake Day questions and find out some great Pancake Day facts. Isn't that fun? Anyway, we're going to be making these quickly, and whilst I'm doing those, why don't you like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.